Simmyssecrets, the first thing I want to say is I have hit 2K subscribers. Guys, I am so thankful to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and who supports me. And in order to show my gratitude, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Make sure that you stay till the end of the video so that you have a chance to win that giveaway. I will give you the specific instructions on how to actually win that giveaway, and the reason why I'm giving it away to one of you is because I love the fact that you guys have supported me in my YouTube journey and that I've hit 2K subscribers. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to actually allow new energy into your life, manifest new energy or new people in your life. And this is for those baby cakes, for those darlings, for my darlings who literally have felt as if they're depressed, they have negative energy, they have nazar, or they have evil eye near them. Anyone who feels like they have people around them who are toxic. In today's video, I want to teach you exactly how to manifest new energy and new light and new people into your life. So let's get straight into this video, darlings. So guys, a lot of people and a lot of my clients, they always reach out to me and they say that they really struggle with negativity, negative energy, and they want new energy in their life. Now, the number one thing which I say to my clients is if you want new energy or you want to manifest new people or new experiences, something positive into your life, you have to, number one, get rid of the old energy. Let's talk about what old energy actually is, because a lot of people think that old energy is just toxic people. Darlings, I swear you're wrong. Old energy can be anything. It can be something your ex gave you 5 years ago that you kept in the cupboard because you just wanted a reminder of them. Old energy can be old clothes which no longer fit you because you were in a job which you didn't really enjoy and you kept those clothes just as a memory. Old energy could be the fact that you lost so much weight and you've kept your old pictures or things which don't make you feel positive, and you look back at yourself and you think, shit, what did I do to myself? So old energy is anything that's associated, anything or any person that is associated to a negative feeling. So you have to get rid of that. So the number one thing, the number one way, darlings, to get rid of old energy is to grab your sage stick. So I've done a full video on how to actually smudge and how to get rid of like negative energy, nazar, evil eye. The first thing you should do is use your sage stick around your house. A lot of people on Instagram, darlings, have been reaching out, and if you haven't added me on Instagram yet, it's Simmyssecrets. DM me, guys. I love hearing from you. And if you don't have Instagram, hit up my email, the link is below, because I love actually connecting with my subscribers. So guys, you need to do that, and if you find a cheap one on Amazon, that's always best. Go and smudge around your house, get rid of that old negative energy. And the best thing to do next is to actually clean your room. In order to get rid of old energy and to manifest new energy into your life or new experiences, you need to get rid of that photo of your ex or the top that you kept from him or the souvenirs that you kept from your holidays. Or you need to put it into a box and hide it so that you don't see that shit every single day in your room. You need your room to be a sanctuary where you feel positive. Help yourself. Don't harm yourself. You need to make sure that the place that you are going to bed to, the place you're in all the time, is full of negative energy, rather than harming yourself and hurting yourself and looking at a picture of your ex over there or old energy over there. And old energy can be anything. It may be negativity in any sort of way. So literally do a deep clean of your room, and that is a really good way in order to get rid of the old dust, the old negative energy, the old negative vibrations, and to allow new energy into your life. Negative energy can also be on your phone. So guys, oh my god, I'm about to hit 11:11. Damn. So make a wish, guys. But anyway, let's get back to the video. Okay, so negative energy can be on your phone. So say you have old text messages from your ex, or from previous people you've dated, or from people where it hasn't worked out, or from employers, or say you have some sort of drama or negative energy. Once again, you need to make your phone a place of healing and a place of actually where you want to go to, rather than seeing photos of your ex or text messages or people you don't like. You need to get rid of every single person. And now we're going on to old energy in relation to people. You need to get rid of old people. So people you've dated and it hasn't worked out, unfollow them on Instagram. Darlings, why do you want to see what they're up to? Like, it's just gonna hurt you. Or your ex, you need to unfollow them. Or a previous partner. Or it may be a toxic friend. Or it could be a co-worker. You need to get rid of old energy, which is things. So like, you know, the books, the tops, etc., the handbags. And then you need to get rid of the old energy, which is people, in order to manifest new energy, darlings, into your life. So now that you've done those two things, you've got rid of the old energy in things, the old energy in people, you cleaned your room, your phone, darlings, it better be clean, because if I ask you on your coaching session with me on a one-to-one, darlings, have you cleaned your phone in order to allow new energy into your life, and you say no, I'm gonna put you in the bad books, darling. So the next thing to do after you've done those things is to start visualizing. So if you want to manifest new energy into your life, you need to start embodying the vibration of that energy. So say you want more joy, or you want more love, or you want new experiences, you want to manifest new friends or new people, you want to manifest love which feels good. You need to now that your energy is clear and your chakras can actually open and they're not blocked from all this old energy, now that it's clear and open, you need to start visualizing. So I would highly suggest, if you know the specific visualization or the specific new energy you want to attract, visualize it to the T. This is where people mess up, because they visualize and they'll visualize something very generalized. You need to be specific. You need to actually know how it smells, what it feels like. What type of energy is it? Is it joy? Is it happy? Add the emotion to it, add the vibrational energy, because emotions carry that vibrational energy. And do your visualization. Now, one of the questions that my clients always ask me is, Simmy, how long do I visualize for? You need to be visualizing for 17 seconds. Now, if you're an expert, like Simmy, if you're an expert, and darlings, if you're watching my channel and you've been following my journey, hit the like button, because you're probably an expert by now too. If you're an expert, you can do a 17-second visualization, and that's it. You only need to do this once. And I would suggest you to do it either in the morning or before you go bed. However, if you're not an expert and you're a beginner, darlings, it's fine. I've got your back. I can help you out with this. If you're not an expert, what you need to do is you actually need to do your 17-second visualization every single morning and every single night. And I would suggest you to come back to this video, go through this whole process again, and actually do it for the next 21 days. So guys, now that you've cleared your energy center, you've allowed new energy into your life, you've got rid of old energy, and you've done your visualization. So you've visualized specific things. Keep it crystal clear in your mind, and you've done it for 17 seconds. So that's basically like your 5 steps. You've done it for 17 seconds. The last step is to let go. You have to let go and believe that that new energy is going to enter your life, and it can come in the form of signs. You may get indirect signs from the universe, which can be, for example, a sign that, oh, there's a meet-up group so you can meet new people, or some random person might start DMing you on Instagram, and it could be your soulmate or a new friend. Or if you want new energy in the sense of you want a new job, you might randomly get a job advert sent to you. Whatever it is that you wanted new energy in, and you've cleared that old energy out in that sector of your life, that new energy will come into your life. Either directly, you'll get a direct person telling you directly. However, sometimes the universe gives you these subtle nudges in the right direction. So it will be indirect, and you'll get an indirect sign. And when you get that sign, darlings, come back to this video and let me know exactly in the comment section what your sign was and how you got this sign that new energy is coming into your life. So guys, trust in the process as I take you from broken to empowered. And now let's go on to the giveaway. So darlings, if you stay till the end of this video, I'm so thankful that you've subscribed, that you're a loyal subscriber. So in order to win the giveaway, which is the Mastery book. Now this book by Robert Greene, it will help you so much. Like, it's one of the most popular books. It's an international bestseller. Guys, if you're from an international country, don't forget, I want you guys to win this giveaway as well, right? So let me talk about this book before I tell you guys exactly how you can win it. Okay, so basically, it talks about the different levels of mastery, and this book is really good. So I've got a big version for you guys because I just got a small version for myself. I think it's somewhere in my book collection over there. I got a small version for myself, but I want you guys to go through this and be able to highlight. So you're going to get a personal message from me, so make sure you listen to the next instructions. But before I give you the instructions, this book includes different levels of mastery, so the key to basically master your life. It talks about limiting beliefs you may have, why you may not believe that it's possible. It talks about different phases, so the apprenticeship phase. It talks about how to actually get past this phase and how to actually master your life, how to trust the process, how to appreciate failures, how to actually understand that, you know, you can have good ideas. And this book will help you. Say you want to start a new business, you want to be an influencer, you want a job, say you want to master, like, you know, being more sociable. This book will really give you guidance on how to actually direct your focus into one main key area. And it's a really good book. It talks about the different phases in so much detail. Like, I think I need to read this again, darlings. Number one, you have to comment your name, your age and your location in the comments below. Number two, you have to go on my Instagram, Simmyssecrets, and in my most recent post, you need to comment your name again, your location, and tag one other person in that post, and then you will be receiving this beautiful book. Don't forget to do the 2 steps. So the person who will literally win that book, the winner is going to be announced. Let's give you a deadline, guys. I'm going to give you guys till Sunday to do this. You have till Sunday. Remember, you have to go in the comments below, name, age, location. Go onto my Instagram, name, age, location, tag one other person, and darlings, you will be receiving that book. Once again, guys, I'm wishing you so much. I'm wishing you an abundance of joy. And when I selected the person who's going to win the book, I'll ask for your email. Check your emails. I'm going to send you a personal message. I'll get all your details, and I will offer you a complimentary 30-minute one-to-one coaching session with me. Guys, if you also want monthly subscription coaching, I now offer that as a service. So if you want to book me for 20 minutes every single 2 weeks, it works out cheaper than booking me for a one-off coaching session, so check that out as well. And guys, I can't wait to announce the winner. Thank you guys for giving me 2K subscribers. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my Instagram, and make sure you win that giveaway.